Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Play by Sephora for November 2019. This box is $10 a month and you get 5 to 6 beauty, skincare, hair care samples. And then you also get, I don't know if it's true anymore, last month it wasn't, but you're supposed to get 50 beauty insider points to add to your Sephora.com account or use in store. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there. So make sure you're clicking that open. I also break down the value of the box down there, so I research the sample size, compare it to the full size, do the math, and I put the value down there. So if you're curious, that's always down there as well. Alright, let's just go ahead and open her up. Alright, as I've said in every video for probably like the last month, Josie's chewing on a bone back there. She's been really into it lately, so if you hear some crunching, that's her. I got Bronx right here. Want to say hi? No? Oh, you got a torn up toy. Okay. Hi, Josie. You want to say hi to anyone? Do you have anything to say? No? Okay. She might get back to you later. Okay, let's just see what's in here. Okay, so I have the card right here with everything we're getting and the theme, which is Beauty for Self-Care, and I'm sad to report the Beauty Insider points are no more. They're not on here. So that's sort of a bummer. That was definitely one of the biggest perks of this box, in my opinion. I don't particularly care for this box. The majority of the stuff I find in this box is not cruelty-free, so I may just be canceling this box. Just looking at this card right in here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 things that are not cruelty-free, and maybe a 5th. I think this entire box may not be cruelty-free, but I will go ahead and share with you what I got. So in case you're interested in getting this box and you care about cruelty-free status, you can see what you may get in this box. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is from Nars. This is a lipstick in the shade Tolide? I don't know how you say that. There's the color. There it is. Not going to swatch it. It's not cruelty-free. Okay, this is going to be a pretty short video, guys. The next thing I have is from Glamglow. Again, not cruelty-free. This is the Glowstarter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. And mine's in the shade Nude Glow. So I think it's just like a tinted moisturizer. I do enjoy the packaging of this brand. Very pretty. But yeah, I'm not going to use it. I do think this is a very good sample size, though. You get quite a bit of uses out of this. Can I help you, ma'am? Do you have something to say? Oh, okay. Alright. The next thing I have is from Lancome, which I'm pretty sure is not cruelty-free. Can I help you, sir? This is the Hypnose Drama Mascara Volume. Instant Full Body Volume Mascara. I will go ahead and show you the wand on this. I'm sure I can find somebody who will use this. That's a very interesting wand. So there it is. You see it's got that weird curve? That's sort of interesting. So yeah, I definitely will pass this along to someone. It's just not going to go on me. Sir, can I help you? Do you want a mascara? I know if I gave this to you, you would take it. You cannot have that. You guys are all being naughty today. Alright, the next thing I have, Bronx. This is not about you right now. Oh, I think he wants the box. Here, you can have the box if you want the box. Take it. Alright, so you may hear him chewing on cardboard. He loves to destroy boxes. Anyways, the next thing I have is from Clinique. This is the, what is this? It's not telling me what it is on here. It is an almost lipstick in a black honey. I can show you on here the picture what the color is. You're also going to see what else is coming up in this box, but that's what it looks like. Definitely a dark, nice fall color. And I definitely enjoy like these sort of products that are like moisturizing tinted lip balm sort of deals, but I'm not going to be using that one. Okay, the next thing I have, I don't know why you guys are being like this. Immediately after we film this video, we're going to open our bark box. Right? So then you can be crazy then. So hold on for like 5 more minutes. He's over here sniffing the bark box. I have it sitting next to me. And he knows there's something in there for him. Josie, get out of there. Oh my god, they're being crazy. Anyways, this is from Dr. Jart. Bronx, sit. Be a good boy. Thank you. This is the Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. There it is. I'm fairly certain this is not cruelty free if I remember correctly. It does have SPF 30 in it. I also don't color correct, so it's not something I need. But yeah, got that. Stop, Josie. Alright, and the last thing I have is from Yves Saint Laurent. This is the Black Opium perfume. Again, I'm fairly certain this is not cruelty free, so I'm not going to be using it. I think I might have smelled this before and it smelled okay. I remember thinking it was okay. But yeah, not going to use it. So, that's everything I got in my box. If I could use anything in here, I would have loved this box. I think most people who have not gone cruelty-free would probably enjoy this box. The Nars lipstick, I got a mascara, the Glamglow tinted moisturizer, the Clinique lipstick. There's a lot of makeup in here, so I'm really sad that I can't use it. I'm kind of thinking about canceling it, especially now that the insider points are no longer a part of it. It's kind of a bummer, and it's kind of a bummer that there's like no communication about that. Let me know what you guys think. Should I keep getting this? Do you guys even care about this box? Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more very unruly dogs, hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.